First of all, that's like way too close for me. Second, the Tahoe barely fits in the garage, so we can't open that door on the other side. So the only way to get in, literally, to climb in the other side. She does this every morning, I guess. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're driving the Tahoe today, obviously. Christina took the truck this morning because I was in the way and I was still asleep. It's already like 1:30 and I'm hungry as hell, so normally I wouldn't take the Tahoe anywhere just because I don't really like dealing with it in the garage, but I'm hungry and I haven't had Chipotle in a while, so we're going to Chipotle because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I don't want to sit around. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but we always figure something out, so stay tuned. Yeah! Lance, you need to lift the dually. Look at it. Look how good it looks. You know what I just realized? I'm telling Lance that he needs to lift his dually because he has the same dually, just extended cab, and he just sold it, I'm pretty sure. So whoever owns Lance's dually now, you should lift it instead of lowering it. Actually, I think it's already lowered. That looks pretty good though. Maybe it's got some Toyos on it or something, I don't know. I'd drive the hell out of it, that's for sure. I'm gonna be honest, guys. Today is not my day. Today has been like, oh, I don't know. Today's been one of those days where I literally, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to edit. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to do anything. These are the rough days of doing what I do because I've made a commitment to you guys. I've made a commitment to myself, to the channel, to the brand. I've made just this big commitment to put out content, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's what I've chosen to do and it's what I enjoy to do. But there are certain days where, hell, I didn't wake up and get out of bed till 12, and then before I know it, it's 2, 3 o'clock and I haven't done anything, and then sit around and you don't do anything for a couple hours. Hell, it's 5 o'clock. Right now it's 6 o'clock and I've done nothing. I haven't edited or anything for tonight or tomorrow. And it's just some days you're just not with it. But it's, to me, those are the days that make or break your channel. You know, you have those great videos, which is nice, but the days that make or break your channel, and what do you do on the days where you don't want to do anything? What do you, that's where you really find out what you're about, whether you're really willing to put in the time, put in the hours, put in the nights, put in the time filming, editing. Those are the times where you decide whether you're going to be successful or not. Today, obviously, I'm making a shorter video. I'm not really gonna, this channel has become more than just trucks. It's become a documentation of my life as a person, as a YouTuber, as a young adult, as a kid moving away from his hometown. This vlog series, I guess you could call it, vlog series, has become just a documentation of me as a person. You know, the daily struggles that I go through with, you know, mental, physical, all of it. And these are one of those days. Today's video is not going to be a very good video, I'll be honest with you. But I've made a commitment to myself that I will put out a fucking video today. I'm gonna sit here, express to you guys why I'm not putting out a great video today, and let you guys know that tomorrow will be better. You know, and these are the days that you have to get to your end result. I could skip today and ruin my 365-day goal being over 100 days in, or I could sit down humbly in front of the camera and tell you guys I don't want to fucking do anything today, and take tonight and mentally get my mind right and be back on top tomorrow. You know, I think that's the goal for today, is to do that. And it's good for you guys to be able to see that. You know, I get all the time how humble I am and how just I'm the same person on camera as I am away from the camera. And it's just because this is me, it's my life. You know, I document my life, and to me, it's real. Everything I put on this channel is real. There's nothing fake. I'm sitting here telling you I don't want to do anything today. That's not fake. You know, I'm not making this video. This video is probably not going to get as many views, and I don't really care, because the views aren't really, I mean, I care about the views and the subs, but I've hit my end all be all goal, which was 10,000. So anything past 10,000 to me is just, it's just cool, you know? I mean, obviously I want to grow and get bigger, and the whole, I won't reveal it, the reason for me doing the YouTube and stuff has become bigger. I have a bigger end result. My goal isn't to be a million subscriber YouTuber. That's not my life goal. Even though it would be cool and I may or may not get to that point, I'm still gonna strive to get to that point, because it's gonna transition me into other things. But I wanted to sit down and, you know, humbly tell you guys today, take all of the ego, take all of the big YouTuber with the big truck. I mean, all of that's great, but at the end of the day, you have those days where you don't want to fucking do anything, and that is today. Today is one of those days. So I'm not quitting, I'm not doing anything. I'm just literally gonna sit down, tell you guys what's going on today, tell you guys that there's really nothing going on today. It's pouring rain pretty much right now. I'm waiting to pick up dinner for Christine and her friend that's at the house, and we're gonna come back, and we're gonna come back on top of our game tomorrow, ready to go to work, ready to film, ready to get the best content for you guys. But yeah, you know, it makes me feel better to be able to sit down in front of the camera and just kind of let you guys know what's going on. I have that built up anxiety of, damn, there's no video today, there's, you know, just all the different things, and it makes me at least feel better knowing I have 5 or 6 minutes of footage I can put together tonight and post for you guys tomorrow, just so you guys can at least know what's going on. But just know, by the time you guys see this video, we're cranking out some good content. We're bringing back the high energy. We're bringing back the bread gang energy that you guys know. You know, this kind of energy for me is not very, this is what goes on off of camera. You know, I deal with just so many, everybody deals with negative shit, and it's all about how you handle it. And I'm here, I'm in the truck alone, talking to myself in the truck right now, telling you guys that I'm gonna sit here and I make the conscious decision to say, screw the negativity, screw the anxiety, everything that's going on. We are going to be successful. We are gonna get this bread. I'm consciously making that decision, and I have no choice. I put it in my mind that we're not gonna give up ever. We're gonna keep fucking going. So I hope you guys enjoy your Sunday. I hope you guys enjoy your Monday. This video is coming out on a Monday. Hell, I hope you guys have a great week. It's Monday. Let's start the week off great. Let's take Sunday to rest, recoup mentally, physically, and we're gonna hit Monday hard. We're gonna hit Monday hard. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. We're gonna have some high energy, some bread gang energy back for you guys. I know you guys will support me in anything, and I support you guys just as much, you know, in return. But just know I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Again, thank you guys for 10,000. It's insane. I can't even believe we gotten to this point. But we're gonna take the day and just not a good day. Not a good day. But like I said, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Big dick energy on the way. Bread gang, wow, I shouldn't say that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Great energy on the way. I love you guys. As always, let's get this bread.
It's bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.